Hello student, today I am going to teach you the topic is how to remember RS term symbol and Mulliken symbol. This topic is very important for CSR, NET exam, SET exam and GATE exam, and time required for determination of RS term symbol and Mulliken symbol is more. Therefore I made a trick to remember RS term symbol and Mulliken symbol. Let us see. For octahedral high spin complex, RS term D F F D S. Again repeat same pattern D F F D S, and spin multiplicity is 2 3 4 5 6, then 5 4 3 2 1. Trick is first write a pattern DFFDS, again same pattern DFFDS. This is a trick. Let us see how much time is required for determination of RS term symbol for D1 electronic configuration. Here L value is plus 2 because electron in plus 2 orbital. If L is plus 2, then symbol is D. 0, 1, 2, 3. L value is 0. Symbol. If L is 0, then symbol is S. If L is 1, symbol is P. If L is 2, symbol is D. If L is 3, then symbol is F. Here L value is 2, therefore symbol is D. S value is 1 electron, therefore S is plus 1 by 2. Spin multiplicity is 2S plus 1. Spin multiplicity 2 1 by 2 plus 1. Here spin multiplicity is 2. 2. Therefore symbol is 2D. This is a very lengthy process, therefore I made a trick. DFF DS, again repeat pattern DFF DS, and Mulliken symbol is T2 T1 A2 E A1, T2 T1 A2 E A1, T2 T1 A2 E A1. Same, again write same pattern T2 T1 A2 E A1, T2 T1 A2 E A1, T2 T1 A2 E A1. For D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, D8, D9, D10. Spin multiplicity is same like RS term 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. And for tetrahedral complex, Mulliken symbol is for D10 is same 1A1G. For D9 octahedral high spin and D1 tetrahedral is same. Here G-rad is present. For tetrahedral complex, G-rad is not present because tetrahedral complex is asymmetric. Here octahedral complex is symmetric because it have a center of symmetry. Tetrahedral complex is asymmetric. It does not have a center of symmetry. D1, D2 tetrahedral complex, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, D8, D9. For D1 tetrahedral complex, Mulliken symbol is same like D9 octahedral high spin, only G is not present. E, A2, T1, T2, A1, E, A2, T1, T2, or write T2, T1, A2, E, A1, T2, T1, A2, E, A1. Mulliken symbol is same. Here 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. This is a trick. Let us check E, A2, T1, T2, A1, E, A2, T1, T2. This is a trick. The splitting diagram for octahedral high-spin complex is T2, T1, A2, E, A1. For D1 electronic configuration, here electron goes in T2g orbital, therefore symbol for D1 is T2g. And spin multiplicity is, here electron is 1, therefore spin is 1 by 2, his spin multiplicity is 2. If for D2 electron goes in T1g, therefore symbol is T1g. Spin multiplicity, here S value is plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1. Here spin multiplicity is 3. Let us check. For D1, T2, for D2 is T2. Sorry, T1. T2, T1, A2E, A1. D3, D4, D5. T2, T1, A2E, A1. Again repeat T2, T1, A2E, A1. Spin multiplicity 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here third electron goes in A2 orbital. Therefore symbol is A2. Spin multiplicity, here spin is 3 by 2. Spin multiplicity formula 2s plus 1. Here s value is 3 by 2. 2 into 3 by 2 plus 1 value is 4. The splitting diagram for octahedral low spin complex is, here T2, therefore here T1g, here T1g, therefore here T2g, here A2g, therefore here A1g. For octahedral low spin complex, Eg is same, here A1g, therefore here A2g. Let us see low spin complex FeCN6 2 minus. The electronic configuration for Fe3d6 4s2. Here charge is Fe plus 2, x minus 6 minus 2, x is equal to 6 minus 2, x is equal to plus 2. Electronic configuration 3d6 4s0. Here this complex is strong field because cyanide is strong field ligand. Then field electron, here pairing take place because low spin complex 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here last electron goes in A1g, therefore symbol is A1g. And spin is plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 cancel, plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 cancel, plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 cancel. Therefore spin is 0. Spin multiplicity formula is 2s plus 1, 2 into 0 plus 1. Therefore spin value is 1. Therefore symbol is 1 A1g. Thank you.